Hello everyone! So today's video, ipapakita ko lang kung gaano nag-enjoy si Frey at Thaya na nag-swimming sa sea view with their tita Giselle. Swim ra ka? La, tura, tura.
Okay.
Good morning, sea view. Good morning, world.
Can someone get the goggles?
No, the goggles are in Hanay Hanay. It's not here. Don't drink the water, please, Freya. Wow! Mm. Si Giselle, wala kailes. Kay Dariot, nalumo si Freya, nabaliw-lew.
Nakaambak. Nakaambak ko gulay. Urang.
Mom, what's this?
Nakaambak ko
Ah.
duster.
Mom, what's this?
Wala siya kasagang. Mag-ilis lang tas Giselle, kay siya mo swim dito sa lalom. Ni, baliw-lew naman kay gipraktisan na tog langoy, ni baliw-lew, gabaliw-lew. Engkuji!
Kaya. You can practice here. Right here.
Hala, muna nahitabo ganina. Iyang gipraktis ang floating.
Abot sa lalo.
Naabot dito sa lalom. Kaya nalimot na siya nga lalom na di ay. Ni baliw-lew taw. Hala.
Mom, what's this?
Mm.
What's this?
No, not towards here because there's stairs
But
here.
I'm gonna open my eyes with you.
Oh, okay. La, nay sirena. Na ay dinosaur.
I opened my eyes. You look like Moto.
Unsay moto-moto?
The big hippo.
Onya.
Okay, do it again.
Did I do it?
Yeah, you did it.
You did it really nice.
Yeah.
But I want to do it.
Okay, okay. Play.
Mm.
Relax your
Mm.
body.
Yeah, relax lang.
And if you don't relax, then it won't work.
Hala, nag-float na siya.
Doing it and then she gave up.
Okay, okay.
Why did she give up fast?
You have to relax, okay? Relax your muscle, relax your body. Feel the water, okay?
Tell me if I'm getting to the wall, okay? And stop me.
Mm.
Balance your body, balance.
Oh, wow, Freya. Igwit go ka, Freya. Pero nagaga-swimming ron ga duster.
I'm letting go.
Oh, is she... Oh my gosh! Ah! Ah!
Was I doing it so
Yeah,
good?
you're so good. Okay.
Wow! Ah.
Mom, clap for me if you're happy.
Oh, but I'm holding the phone. How can I can clap?
Okay, go. More. You're doing it great.
No, mo swim daw siya, Je.
I want to.
Oh, palangoya. Sierra. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh, those are the seeds of the plants. Yate, si Teya ga-practice na mag-diving og sirena style.
Mama,
Hindi po siya paulahay. Good job, Ray! Hindi po paulahay ang bata.
not hit my head.
I know, you have to watch the stairs there before you hit your head. Naiga swimming ka duster.
Mom, look, I'm gonna.
Kabalo na stiya mo lang, oy.
She said.
Oh, swim towards to Tita Giselle. Go, go, swim. Yeah. Ate, yeah. Go. Palayo, Jay. Palayo. Mamayang hapon, after sa class nila Sam at Yuri, mag-swimming na naman yun dito. Agay. Hala ka, Bri.
Okay, jump.
Freya, ayaw game na ng tubig.
Jump.
Ayaw, ting. Go swim there.
No. Takina ko yan.
Why you do the sideways swimming?
Not sideways because the
Yeah.
water goes in your ear.
Yeah, your ear gonna be full of water.
Like that.
Yeah, but no. When you dive, do like that. But when you swim, open arms. Yeah, but your ear's gonna be full of water.
Okay. Unahan na siya magkuan freestyle.
Katong freestyle, Ana.
Okay.
Dad is talking with Tito Dave.
Is he gonna join us later?
I doubt it because we're gonna get ready soon after swimming. He needs a haircut. And he needs to buy his flip-flops and shorts. Wow. Okay, that's enough swimming na.
No. Okay.
Yung ubo ko siguro mawala to pagbalik ko ng US. Ano lang to, kulang ng pahinga. Yeah, enough rest lang to, mawala na to. Walang pahinga kapag nagbakasyon. Careful. Baliw-liw na po naroon, Je.
Let's try again. Okay, open it. Try it, try it. It doesn't hurt. There's no chlorine. It's just water.
Ito na, ni deep down.
Now open your eyes wide. Take it close.
Open your eyes, Frey. Don't close. Underwater. And that's it. Nag-enjoy ang dalawa with Tita Giselle at natutong lumangoy din silang dalawa.